from the Mtech brand of master cutlery. This is item number M-A1028BP. It also comes in 3 other models, the BS, the GP, and the GS models. This folding knife is about 5 inches in overall closed length. Features a glass breaker, belt cutter, open pillar construction. This is an assisted opening knife, G10 handle scales, index flipper as your opener, USMC on the pocket clip. This is officially licensed by United States Marine Corps. Comes out very quickly, solidly, securely. Very solid lockup. The blade itself, you see, U.S. Marines. Tanto tip design, stainless steel with a plain edge, about 3 1/2 inches in overall length, extreme piercing ability on that tip. The knife does come extremely sharp. You can see that there. It's like a razor blade. Please be very careful. But overall, this is a very solid and beefy blade befitting the U.S. Marines. And overall, it's just a very high quality blade from Mtech and Master Cutlery.